Now coming to the affix kwasu. This is prescribed by the Sutram 32107. Kwasuscha, kwasuscha. The vritti of the Sutram also is simple. It says litaha kwasuscha vasyat. Why cha? Because we just studied the Sutram 32106, which says litah kana jva. So following on that Sutram, this Sutram 107 says kwasuscha. So in addition to kanach, which was prescribed by 32106, kwasu also may come as a substitute in place of the lit prescribed by 32105 Chandasi lit. So all the comments we made under 32106 are also applicable here, that this affix kwasu is technically to be used only Chandasi, but kavayaha bahulam prayunjate, that it is seen to be used. It is not used anywhere in the Bhagavad Gita, but in Bhagavatam, Raghuvamsha Kavyam, etc. you will see this affix kwasu used once in a while. The kanach is almost never used, but kwasu, we have to be ready to spot the affix kwasu if we see it. Now the big difference between kanach and kwasu, of course, is that the kanach gets the sanya of atmanepadam by 14100, which is Tangana Atmanepadam. But kwasu has a sanya of Parasyapadam by 1499, left Parasyapadam, because kwasu doesn't fall under the list of 14100, because that's only says Tangana Atmanepadam. So it's not a tang affix, it's not a an. So kwasu retains the Parasyapada sanya by 1499, left Parasyapadam. So that's the big difference between kanach and kwasu, of course. So when you have to bring in a Parasyapadam as an adesha for lit, the lit prescribed by 32105, then kwasu comes in. Let's look at the meaning of this sutram. It says the affix lit prescribed by Chandasi lit 32105 and not by 32115 Paroksha lit, but by 32105 Chandasi lit. It may optionally be replaced by the affix kwasu also, means in addition to kanach, which was prescribed by the prior sutram 32106. And as per 1499, kwasu is designated Parasyapadam. Let's look at this example here. Consider this verbal root gam, gamlurgatau, which of course is a prasiddha dhatu. We know this dhatu very well. Let's see if we can derive this prajapadikam jagmivas athva jaganvas by adding this affix kwasu. Now kwasu is going to be used kartari krit, no change there. So jagmivas or jaganvas with similar meaning to gatavan or gatavat prajapadikam. So jagmivan or jaganvan is the same meaning as gatavan, because this is also bhuta samanye. This is not paroksha but bhuta samanye. So let's start with gam plus lit by 32105 Chandasi lit. Bring in the affix kwasu, because here dhatu gamru is a parasmipadi dhatu. So by sheshat kartari parasmaipadam and then laf parasmaipadam and kwasuscha, bring in the kwasu adesha in place of lit. Now kakarasit sanya balashakvatadite ukarasit sanya by upadesha janunasika ittasya lopaha, we get gam was. Now because of sthanivad bhavaha, this kwasu has the properties of lit, because sthanivadadesho nal vidhau, and therefore by nitidhato ranabhyasasya we perform the dvitvam at gam was. And one small note here is that as per Dvirvachanechi, which we know very well, we apply the dvitvam before applying the sutram 6498, which is going to come later. 6498 is Gama Hana Jana Khana Ghasam Lopa Kinityanangi. That would have done the Upadha Lopa, but that has to wait till Duttam is done. So now we get Gam was. Now we apply Kuhosh Chuho Sthanentara Tamaha. So we put a jakara adesha, chavarga adesha in place of the gakaraha. So we get jam gam vas and haladishesha. After that 7460 we get jagam vas. Now comes the complication. Here is about the idagamaha. The pratyaya vas is a valadi pratyaya, of course. It has sanya of ardhadhatukam because of 34114 ardhadhatukam sheshaha. So now 7235 wants to come and apply the idagamaha. But at this point 728 comes into the picture. 728, which is the next sutram which we'll be taking here. 728 says Ned Vashikriti. Na it, Ned Vashikriti. Anuvritti of Na goes down from here all the way to 7 to 34. So Nishedha Kandam, the in Nishedha section, which runs from 7 to 8 to 7 to 34. This is the first sutram, and the anuvritti of na it, that na goes down, na it goes down from this sutram down to 7 to 34. So that's the next sutram we'll take here. Ned Vashikriti is going to block the idagamaha, which would have been done by 7 to 35.